Another day, another perfume na naman. Si Kuya Drew.
Today, samahan niyo ako kasi bibili tayo ng panibagong perfume. So, and for today's perfume, we're gonna wear the Jo Malone Oud and Bergamot. So, mag-konting spray lang tayo dito. And then, yeah, good to go since mag-sniff session pa tayo sa Shangri-La. And ayun nga, test ko yung ibang perfume sa skin ko. So, there you go. I think okay na yon. I'm not gonna spray somewhere here and here kasi ito yung gagamitin ko later. Okay? Hindi pa planchado yung polo ko. Okay lang. Nandito na tayo sa Rustans and I'm with...
Yes. Hello guys. What's up? Lalaki tayo to.
Okay, kasama ko ulit si JR daw.
Yeah.
Si JR daw. Pagka-animalic siya. Parang amoy plants, amoy mga damong dinugo.
Yes.
Diba? Let's try itong Portrait of a Lady. Ano din ito? Parang amoy mga Middle East na.
Yeah.
Pero gusto ko talaga ito. Synthetic siya. We're getting the Amaris.
So share mo naman sa kanila yung experience.
Ayun,
Or-
sabi dito kasi ang Amaris
Sa pag-sniff mo.
notes is Amaris, Iris, milk chocolate, coconut, and coffee.
In short,
In short, Amaris.
the budol.
Hello guys, so we're done. We're gonna unbox it soon and I'm gonna share it with you. So thank you so much for joining me today and thank you so much Will P. Yeah, behind the camera. Yeah, but thank you so much and napagastos na naman po tayo. Another day, another perfume budol. So let's get on. Thank you. Okay, so while we're having our cup, cheers.
Tony Talks.
Let's talk about the perfume that I bought. What are your thoughts?
For me,
Without spoiling, because I'm gonna do unboxing.
siguro, para kang nagkakape sa Italy. For me.
Cheers for the eat.
Yeah. And the other one is, yun, medyo kakaiba din siya. You really love going outside to see nature and everything.
For me, sobrang rare siyang maamoy sa ibang tao.
Yes.
Sa second one naman, it's very connected sa akin. Itong dalawang to, although talagang pricey, but at the same time, for me, it's worth the price. Hello guys, it's me again, Jerto Live. So, unbox na natin yung binili natin kahapon sa Shangri-La. I bought 2 perfumes. The first one is MFK. Okay, so we have MFK here. And another one is Frederic Malle. Okay, so this is my first Frederic Malle. And let's start with the MFK. My new MFK. So, I got the Amaris Home Extrait de Parfum. Okay, Extrait de Parfum. So, yan. And I got it for 19,450. Medyo pricey, but when I smelled it, talagang feeling ko sobrang sulit. Worth every penny. So, yeah. Thank you so much. And yeah, may binigay sa akin na madaming vials here. Okay, so we have, I don't know, it's Ila Rose. Ila Rose. We also have Oud and Aqua Universalis. So we're gonna test it out as well. But let's focus here muna. Okay, sa MFK Amaris Home Extrait de Parfum. So here we go. Mix na natin. Oh my God! As always, sobrang ganda ng box ng MFK. Here you go. And here we go. Oh, pakak. sabi mo dyan. Diba? Sobrang social. And by the way, isang size lang pala to. 70 ml. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Sobrang isang size lang siya. So, Maison Francis Kurkdjian Paris Amazon Extra Parfum. Okay, and let's check the notes of this perfume. Ang sabi dito, ang notes niya is mandarin. Okay, it's a combination of amber and woody. Mandarin, saffron, vanilla, amaranth, cinnamon, tonka bean, and iris. Konting kwento dito sa MFK na to sa bagong bili ko. Originally, ang gusto ko talagang bilhin is si Gentle Fluidity Silver, which is yung pabango ni Joshua Garcia. However, when I tried this one, parang mas nabetan ko siya. And at the same time kasi si Gentle Fluidity, parang na-associate ko siya kay YEDP Intense ko, yung YSL ko. So sabi ko parang iba na lang kasi parang medyo may pagkaamoy sila or kung hindi man magkaamoy, parang yun nga, na-associate ko siya kay YSL EDP Intense. So sabi ko iba na lang. And nag-amoy ako, nag-sniff session ako doon. So ayan, ito yung napili ko and sobrang bango nito. And yun nga, yun yung share ko yung mga notes niya. But if I could describe it, you know, very quick lang, sobrang fresh niya. Fresh, clean, effortless, pero sobrang lakas ng dating. Yun. And very long lasting kasi nga extra perfume siya. So, yun yung masasabi ko sa kanya. Eh, basta parang kakaiba siya. Pero to simply describe this, yun yung feeling ko. Fresh, clean, effortless, but elegant. Long lasting as well. So, yun. Pag mapapadaan kayo sa Shangri-La or sa Power Plant, try this one. Talaga, promise. Sobrang bango niya. And siguro pag gamit ko to, I will let you smell me. Joke lang. But ayun, sobrang bango nito. But before we move on to the Frederic Malle, we're gonna test it out, okay? Spray muna tayo dito. Di ba? Ang sobrang bango niya, promise. Oh my God. Sobrang bango talaga niya. I love it. I really love it. Okay, and now we have this Frederic Malle, and it's Synthetic Nature by Anne Filippo ba? Filippo, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Anne Filippo. So, it's a niche brand, si Frederic Malle. And then, ang ano niya is nakikipag-partner siya sa mga perfumers. So, ayun, basta nakipag-partner siya. And then, yun yung mga gumagawa ng mga perfume niya, yung scent. So, yeah, nabili ko din siya sa Rustan. So, it's 15,000. Okay? It's 15,000. May synthetic jungle pa din. Actually, synthetic jungle siya before, but they renamed it from synthetic jungle to synthetic nature. I don't know the reason. Maybe it's more appropriate or like, kumaga, yeah, mas akma siya dun sa scent niya. And actually, I tried the synthetic jungle but I haven't tried it. But definitely when I researched about it, they said naman na walang nagbago sa scent niya. So it's still the same, similar pa din. So yeah, binago lang talaga yung name from synthetic jungle to synthetic nature. And I really love it talaga. When I first tried it, na-in-love na ako. Parang napalabas niya yung adventurous Drew. So ayun, that's unbox it. Okay. Oh my God. Here we go. Paano ba ito? Ayan. So, there you go. Ayan siya. Synthetic Nature by Anne Filippo, Frederic Malle, Editions de Parfum. So, basically, I don't want to complicate things, but let's check muna kung anong notes niya. It's a green perfume. It's a green scent. Ayan. So, ang top notes niya are lily, basil, and black currant. Middle notes are hyacinth, jasmine, and ilang-ilang, and base note is patchouli. Actually, when I first tried it, naamoy ko talaga si patchouli. So, yeah, and very green. And, okay, ganito na lang. You can imagine, yung mga dahon, like pag nakakaamoy ka ng dahon, tapos pinipit yung dahon, ganun yung amoy niya. But the reason why synthetic nature yung name niya, kasi when you spray it, when you wear it, para siyang nagkakaroon ng man-made forest sa paligid mo when you smell it. So that's why it's named Synthetic Nature. So, yeah. I think yun lang yung masishare ko about dito, but really, I love it. And one thing I realized, you know, when I had a sniff session and also when I was looking for another perfume dun sa Shangri-La yesterday, now we don't choose our fragrance, we don't choose our scent, but it chooses us. And I think dun ko siya gustong tapusin tong vlog na ganun siya, parang it speaks to you, yung mga pabango, and biglang boom. Kasi remember, yung sa MFK, parang originally, what I really wanted talaga is the Gentle Fluidity Silver. However, when I tried the Amaris na, you know, eto, ako dapat ang bilhin mo. And it goes the same with Synthetic Nature. I tried the Frederic Malle, you know, different scents there, different perfumes, but the Synthetic Nature, like, spoke to me. So, And alam mo yun, parang napalabas niya talaga yung adventurous Drew. Pagiging adventurous ni Drew. So, that's why I bought it. Yeah. Although, yes, pricey po siya. Medyo napagastos naman po tayo. But at the end of the day, I think, oo nga, ayoko na i-gaslight. Magastos talaga ako. But for me, it's really something that I'm happy. Ayun. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.